So I've decided to go for a walk with my amazing sun hat. Get me out of the shed. I thought I'd go down the beach here because it's nice. Nice along here. Get some sun. Put my feet in the water. Really nice down here. So we're at Bay of Martyrs, just west of Peterborough. It's very nice. See you in the next video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them. And if you want to contact me, you can do so through my website, the link's in the description below. See you next time.